can't find what you're looking for, get cut, stabbed, poked every time you're looking through it? You have to take time off of work to get a tetanus shot? Looking through other buckets to find what you're looking for? Oh, the frustration.
It's time for an upgrade, brother!
We need to come up with a better solution than random buckets of fasteners floating around the shed. We can go ahead and start loading it up. We can put our boxes in here.
Now that's what I call an upgrade, brother!
Hey, get away from there!